Sign into YouTube Studio. In the top right hand corner, click Create and then Upload Video. Select the file you'd like to upload. You can upload up to 15 videos at a time. Be sure to click Edit on each file to edit your video details. If you close the upload experience before you finish choosing your settings, your video will be saved as a draft on your videos page. Give title for the video. And write description. After uploading video, you can choose suggested thumbnail or you can upload a picture. Add video to an existing playlist or create a new playlist and add. Give tags. Add cards and end screen. In visibility, you can publish the video and select privacy, or you can schedule for later. Select Set as Premiere to premiere when published. You can change schedule time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe SH for more videos. Hit the bell icon for notifications.